Hello and welcome to the Hair and Lifestyle channel. My name is Jessica, and on this channel I don't tell you guys what to do or how to do it. I just show you guys what I do and how I do it, and you get to decide whether or not there's anything at all from this channel that you can incorporate into your own hair routine. In one simple sentence, welcome to the channel where we have fun with our natural hair. Now, if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell so you get notified every single time I post. Give this video a thumbs up, share, and leave me a comment in the comment section. I'd like to know your thoughts on the video. Yeah, so that's it. Let's get into today's video. I look like a widow in my black scarf and my black blouse, but yeah, I'm going to be giving you guys a tutorial on a hairstyle that I did for service that I got so many compliments about. And yes, let me know what you think about a hairstyle, if you try it, where you would be rocking it to, all of that good stuff. Before we get into the video, let me just show you what we're working with. So first you need a gel. Now I'm going to be using this styling gel. It's the Maxim styling gel. It says on the package that it's excellent for permed hair, but who cares, right? Once it works, it works. So I'm going to be using this one, and I'm going to be using this Air Naturals instant curl jelly for my edges. Like, I'm going to attempt to style my edges. Then I'll be using my spray bottle. I also have a pack of accessories here. For the accessories, you can use whatever you want, you know, depending on the look you're going for. You also need some bobby pins. Then you need a comb, you know, the rattle comb, so you can make the parts. And then you need a flexible brush, a soft brush, and then a harder brush. So that's it. Oh, and then some ponytail holders. Yeah, so let's get into the style, like right now. Okay, so we are starting off with dirty hair. My hair is due for wash, but before I go ahead and wash it, I just wanted to remake the style just so I could get it on camera for you guys. So I'm going ahead with my spray bottle to just make sure that my hair is nice and damp and manageable enough to do the restyle. So basically what I'm doing is I'm parting the side. So you want to make your part on the side of your face that looks the cutest for you, and this is my side. So I just went ahead to part out that side. That's the part I'm going to flat twist for the front, and then I put it in twists just to keep it away. I did the same thing for the other side. I twisted that other section too, and then I went ahead to put the back together. So now the back is where the bun is going to be. So I just went ahead to try to detangle it, and I realized that no, what was I doing, wasting my time detangling the head I'm going to like literally take down right after the video. So this is the gel that I was using. This is what the consistency is like. So watching the video back, I realized that the gel was brown, and so that's why my hair was brown. So if you have any plans of using this gel, just bear in mind that the color of the gel is actually brown, and once like you've used it, after some time it forms like these round like sandy look in your hair, so it makes your hair look dirty. Like basically that's okay. So I went ahead to detangle that section with the comb after I applied the gel, and then I'm using my brush to just smooth it out a bit so it's easy for me to flat twist it nicely. So I went ahead to install the flat twist, and yeah, if you want a video, like a detailed video on how I flat twist, you can leave me a comment and I would be sure to do a whole video showing you guys how I do my flat twist. But that's not the purpose of today's video, so let's just get along with our style. So I'm going to flat twist all the way to the end and then twist the end part of the hair, and just basically repeat the process for the other half of the hair, like the other side of the hair, and then that's it. So you see my lips moving a lot. Let me tell you a funny story. So I was like actually talking and then like, you know, running you guys through the process. only to find out at the end of the video that I didn't remember to turn on my mic. So yeah, I was basically talking to myself and everything was on mute. Okay, so back to our hairstyle. Now at this point, I am just trying to put the back bun together. So I went ahead with the gel again. I just put it around the hair, like nothing too much. You don't want to use too much of the gel. Like this style can be done without a gel, but because of the way my hair is, I just wanted everything to be nice and put together. So that's why I opted for the gel. So I went ahead, put the gel, and then I used my brush to smooth it out, and then I re-held my pony, like, to make it more secured, whilst I just fluffed out the extra hair so I have enough hair to hold. So now at this point, let me just say my hair is growing. Yes, nobody asked, but my hair is growing. In the past like month or like two, I wouldn't have been able to hold my hair like this, like effortlessly, but I was able to. So now at this point, what I was doing was to try and see if I could like attach that part to the hair, but now the hair is not long enough for that yet. So it was pulling at my ear part, and you don't want to style your hair and then you have a headache. So I just left that part out. I braided the back section to keep my hair nice and tucked away, and then I went ahead to use a bobby pin to secure this part at the point that it was willing to be secured at. Yeah, so I realized that was nice and cute, and so I just did the same thing to this other side. Yeah, so that's it. Now after I have done all this, I went ahead for my what is it called? My extensions. Yeah, so I opted for the kinky extension because I wanted something that is close in texture and look and feel to my hair, so it's not too obvious that like it's not my original hair, even though I know it's not my hair. Yeah, so I went ahead and then put that on my hair. I used the rubber band to secure it to the to my actual hair, and then I wrapped around the hair with the rest of the hair. And now I know you guys get what I'm trying to say, so I just went ahead to wrap the extensions around so that it will be like in a nice cute bun, and then I used more bobby pins to secure it nicely so it doesn't fall off, you know, after I have installed the style. So this is what it looked like. This is what the final thing looked like. So now I'm going to go ahead and try to style my edges. Now don't judge me, like I am terrible when it comes to styling my edges. I hardly ever style my edges, so I'm going in with my brush. That's what I'm using to style my hair. I just applied the Air Naturals gel to my baby hairs, and then I went ahead to like try and, you know, do a little swoop. Now if I tell you that this part alone took me more than 10 minutes, you won't believe it, but yeah, the entire video itself is 10 minutes. So that tells you how much I cut out, but in the end I felt like I did a decent job, so we would have to, like, you know, take it like that. So I went ahead to just tie my hair in a scarf just to secure the front, and then I used my blow dryer to, you know, just blow a little air on it to dry it up so that it doesn't fly away once I take down the scarf. So that's basically what I did, and once everything was nice and dry, I went ahead to take down the scarf. Now at this point I almost gave myself a little heart attack because I thought I had spoiled the thing, only to realize that, well, it was still okay, not bad. So yeah, I feel cute. Yes, so that was it. So now it's time to just accessorize, you know, go in with whatever accessories you want to use. So I went with the one that you saw me put in there, and then I used the braid cuffs. I don't know whether that's what it's actually called, but yeah, I used that to accessorize it a bit. I wasn't going for anything too loud, but you know, something that will make a statement, but you know, be cute and still, you know, not too much. But yeah, so this is what I ended up with, and I loved it, and I think it was cute. Yes, basically I've already said that. But let me know, like I said earlier, let me know in the comment section whether you would try this out and where you tried to. Also, don't forget to show some love, leave me a comment of anything at all you want to say to me, don't forget to like the video and share it. Yes, share it. I really appreciate that. Now, thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.